Hey guys, thanks for watching this video today. If you are new here, welcome. Hello, my name's Kaylee Kincaid and this is my channel all about eco-friendly cleaning, lifestyle, organizing, all of that sort of stuff. Today's video is going to be about creating rhythms in your life to stay clean and organized. If you like this video today, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you so choose, please hit that red subscribe button to support me and my channel. That would be amazing and help me continue to make these videos. So let's get started. Okay, so these are just going to be some tips on creating rhythms in your life and in your home so that you can stay organized and on top of things, because I truly believe being clean and organized helps alleviate stress, benefits your mental health, and helps you be more productive and on top of things. So tip number one, put things away right after you use them and are done with them, or within the same day of using them. This counts as kids' toys, art projects that you have going on, dishes, anything that you're using. Once you're done with it for the day, put it away, or if you know that you're going to be working on it, something like an art project for the rest of the week, at least tidy it up and have everything be organized. Number two, if you see a task that needs to be done and it can be done in 10 minutes or less, don't put it off, do it right then. When you walk by a counter that has some food left on it and it needs to be put away or wiped off, do it right then. Don't put it off, just do it. Okay, number three, simple, easy trick. Leave trash bags underneath your full trash bag in your trash can so that it's easy to take out the old one and put in the new one. Something that also kind of goes along with that, I guess we'll call it number four, is keep cleaning supplies in multiple areas of your home. Especially if you have a bigger home, keep a bottle of cleaning supplies and some rags and maybe a scrub brush in each bathroom, and also rags and a cleaner in your kitchen. That way you have it on hand and you're more likely to clean more often because you have them there. Number five, if you have 2 stories or even 3 or however many in your home, leave a little basket at the top or the bottom of the stairs so that you can gather things up on one floor, put it in the basket, and it makes it easier to carry it to the second floor, put it away, and then you have the basket by your stairs again, can gather things that need to go down, etc., etc. That makes it easier to not have to make multiple trips. When you're always going up and down, you can just have the basket there, carry it up. It's like a pulley system, but you're the pulley. You're like a personal pulley system with a basket. Maybe that doesn't make sense. Sixth tip is to bring down dishes from whatever other rooms to the kitchen every day to be washed. I think you're probably sensing a pattern here. It's like those little mundane tasks that we can easily get lazy on, that if you just create the pattern and the rhythm and the habit of doing them, it makes it a lot easier. It makes you stay organized. So yeah, bring any dishes down, hand wash your dishes out really quick. That goes back to the 10-minute task thing. That's not going to take long. Just keep on top of things and don't let them pile up, and it'll make life so much easier. Okay, who else hates doing laundry? I don't like it. So I will try to rewear clothes as many times as I can without being stinky or nasty. Like same pair of jeans. I know some people are like, yeah, don't even wash your denim. But I mean, come on. I wash my jeans. But, wear those babies out. Sniff them. If they don't smell, I think you're good to go. If you have shirts that are nice and you didn't really sweat in them that much, hang them back up. Give them a little spritz. That's an eco-friendly tip and a good tip to do less laundry. Win-win. Earth, us, harmony. Okay, let's see. What else? Oh, here's a great one. Make your bed. Make your bed. It's really easy to make your bed. It makes a room feel so much more clean and put together. It's also a nice flat surface to if you need to fold laundry or you need to, use it as a gathering spot throughout the day for different things, and then you can organize things from there. That's just nice. Number 8, 7, I don't know what we're on. Whatever. Okay, number 9, I think. Number 9, you are going to want to vacuum at least once a week. I vacuum more than once a week because we have a dog and he gets a little crazy up in here. But if you just vacuum once a week, you'll be pretty clean and be pretty good. Choose a room of your home and deep clean it every week. One room a week. You can do it. Just go into that room, wipe off every surface, clean the whole floor, mop it, like deep clean that baby. And if you just do one room a week, pretty soon you're going to have a very clean home. Use baskets and containers. Anybody who knows me personally knows I'm a basket girl. I have probably like over 100 baskets in our house. It's kind of obsessive and insane. But they make for great, beautiful storage containers. And I always think that if you have things beautiful, you're going to be more likely to keep it that way, keep it clean, keep it organized. So I use a lot of baskets, but you can use boxes or whatever cool storage containers you have and separate your items into those. And then that way you always know exactly where things go. You're making it easy for yourself. You don't have to be like, where should I put this thingamajig? Where should I put my hairbrush? Where should I put my underwear? Oh, guess what? There's a basket for that. So those are just a few of the tips and tricks in my life that I use to create rhythms of staying clean and organized and stress-free. Yeah, that's right. I don't have any stress in my life at all. Not even a little. Just kidding, obviously. It won't alleviate you from all your stress, but this stuff helps, guys. I promise you it does. And don't forget, if you need help staying clean, staying organized, and you live in Kansas City, you can always call us, Kincaid Cleaning. I will come give you a free estimate, and my number will be in the description of this video. And if you want me to make another one of these videos with some more tips and tricks on how to create rhythms to stay organized, just let me know in the comments, and that would be really helpful. I want to give you all the content that is helpful to you. That would be awesome. If you like these types of videos where I'm talking to the camera more, instead of like just doing the clean with me's or like showing you how to do things, let me know. That would be helpful to me to know. Thanks so much for watching this video today, guys. I hope that you learned a few things. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment and please hit that red subscribe button to support my channel. I would be so grateful, and I hope you all have a great day.